Alright, so as you can see right now, I've currently mounted the VIOFO A329 and the dash cam is turned on, but the Wi-Fi is actually turned off. So let's just turn it on. Turn on Wi-Fi. So just give it a voice command and the dash cam will automatically turn on the Wi-Fi. And as soon as it does, just head into the VIOFO app within your smartphone. Click on connect your camera. Click on continue. Head to system settings and just connect to the Dashcam's Wi-Fi network. So as you can see, it says 5G VIOFO A329 and it's also showing the Wi-Fi logo wherein it is denoting the Wi-Fi technology, that is Wi-Fi 6. You can see that 6 numbering right next to the Wi-Fi logo. So just click on that. Wait for the network to connect to the Dashcam. Head back. So as soon as you hit the back button, the app is going to open up the live streaming within the VIOFO app on your smartphone. So in order to download the videos the fastest way, let's just head into the album section. It's at the lower left bottom of the screen. This is all the images and all the videos that have been recorded by the dash camera. It's currently shows up on your smartphone. So let's just click on one file. Let's for example select this file right here, and you can see that there is a download button given right on top of the screen. You can see here. So let's just select one random file to download, a front camera file. So let's just click on this and click on the download button at the right top corner of the screen. So this is a 300 plus MB file and just look at the download speed. This is in real time. I haven't fast forwarded this and it probably takes about less than 10 seconds to download a front camera video file. Moving on, let's just try and download a rear camera file. Let's click on the download button. So this is about 138 MB. I think it takes about 4 to 5 seconds maximum to download a file from the rear camera. This is the fastest download speed you can ever get on any dash cam. Because this camera supports the Wi-Fi 6 standards, you will get the fastest download speeds you can ever expect to achieve in a dash camera. So this was just a demo to show you how to download a single file. But what if you want to download multiple files? So at the bottom of the screen, you can see this select button right here. So just click on the select button. Just click on any particular multiple files which you want to download. So let me just for example select all these files. So currently 12 files are selected: 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. So currently I've selected about 20 files for downloading. So let's just hit the download button now. So it shows you the status at top 1/20 and the download speeds. As you can see, it's pretty fast. I mean, you cannot expect anything better than this in the current technology in 2025. I mean, by far, this is the best download speeds I have seen in any dash camera, and I haven't seen any other camera even come close to the kind of download speeds which you're seeing on the screen right now. So to download about 20 files, I don't think it's going to take more than like a minute or two. 20 files less than a minute or maximum less than 2 minutes is a superb time to achieve in terms of getting quick access to all the video files you want from your dash camera. This is a testament to the kind of quality, the kind of standards VIOFO A329 brings to you at the premium price which you will pay for this dash cam. So the VIOFO A329 is probably the only dash cam available right now which has Wi-Fi 6 standards and has blazing fast Wi-Fi transfer speeds. So this is an important criteria, especially when you are planning on transferring multiple video files and you want to save yourself a lot of time. So before you decide on purchasing your next dash cam, don't just decide looking at only the video quality a camera offers. Also consider the Wi-Fi transfer speeds. Also consider how fast you want to transfer those multiple video files to your smartphone within an instant. That being said, if you are interested in purchasing this dash cam, go ahead. The link to purchase it is given in the description below. I have provided my affiliate link. You can also get additional 1000 rupee off by paying via UPI. You'll also get the Amazon link for it as well. That being said, if you have any queries or doubts, just write that down in the comments. I'll try to get back to you as soon as possible. And if you still haven't subscribed to my channel yet, go ahead, hit that subscribe button right now, smash that like button, and don't go away without hitting the bell icon so that you get notified each time I upload a new video. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.